लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन।
संगीत वही जो दिल को लग जाए, जो रूह से जुड़ जाए और जिसकी आवाज़ आपको घर वापस ले जाए। और यही हुआ इस बार राहत फ़तेह अली के कॉन्सर्ट पर, जब उनकी आवाज़ हम सबको थोड़ी देर के लिए घर वापस ले गई।
लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन तेरा सोनिए गुलाब नालों चंगाए, मुख तेरा सोनिए गुलाब नालों चंगाए। सानू कोई होर ना जनाब नालों चंगाए, मुख तेरा सोनिए गुलाब नालों चंगाए।
और उस वक्त से कवाली हो या बॉलीवुड, राहत hasn't looked back. हर गाना सुपर हिट सक्सेस। राहत का कॉन्सर्ट हो और फुल हाउस ना हो, इम्पॉसिबल। होल टिकट्स वर सोल्ड आउट। राहत was sweet and so was the audience. चलें आपको लेकर चलते हैं कॉन्सर्ट पे वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर।
लोगों के साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। थैंक यू सो मच।
ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया पिया।
Dubai transformed from a desert to a metropolitan city. और इस तरक्की में हाथ था बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट लोगों का. उनमें से एक इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी से आज हम आपको मिलवाएंगे, रुखसाना जाफर. Let's go and speak to her. Dubai grew from a desert to a huge metropolitan. और इस तरक्की में हाथ है बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट लोगों का. आज हम आपकी मुलाकात कराएंगे उन्हीं एक इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी से. We have with us Rukhsana Jafar. Hi Rukhsana, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Thank you for inviting me to your show this afternoon, Safa.
जी रुखसाना, आप हमें अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताएं और ये बताएं कि why the hotel industry in particular?
Yes, you are very right to ask a question like that because hospitality is not my field at all. I hail from London. I have been in mergers and acquisitions involved up there. I had a F&B, a donut company. We used to produce donuts, 14,000 donuts a day, and supplied to Harrods and Selfridges in London, British rail stations, airlines, etc. And after I sold my businesses, I came to join my husband to Dubai. And it was ittifaq se, as they say, that a friend of ours was getting involved in the hospitality, purchasing two units, and I landed up project managing the buildings.
We have also this knowledge that you are an actress yourself who knows how to dance very well. So just tell us, and the viewers would also like to know, what is all this passion all about?
Yes, I was an actress many years ago. I started in school in Mombasa in Kenya, where I used to do Oscar Wilde, and I did some modeling in those days when I was very young. Come to London, and I have been put into a situation where I used to produce plays, act in them. My mother wrote. I used to direct, and I used to love directing young children, and the stage shows were taken to Amsterdam and Paris, but they were very low-key. But my highlight of my time was when I was asked to perform in front of our Prime Minister John Major at that time and Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto.
रुखसाना, आप काम भी करती हैं और उसके साथ आप पढ़ाई भी कर रही हैं. मेरा मतलब है कि ऑनलाइन MBA that you're doing. कुछ बताएं इसके बारे में.
As I grew and I started questioning the systems in place, I learned that I had to learn a little bit more about business and put everything into perspective of what I had known. So I took up an MBA with the University of Liverpool. It's taken a lot of time. I spend about 30 to 35 hours a week in my submissions, and I've come a long way. I was able to understand that the GM we had was not the GM for the future, and I had to look for somebody who was able to. I've been able to put in lots of infrastructure in the company and changing a lot of ways that people used to run hospitality before. F&B in Dubai is maybe not equal to rooms, but it is 40%, and it can be driven to 50% of all the revenue. And so therefore marketing played a big role in this. Thinking out of the box, innovation. I wasn't ever going to be like Steve Jobs and bring Apple, but I was going to make the Holiday Inn Dubai Al Barsha the best hotel, best 4-star hotel with 5-star look and value. That's what the hotel tagline is.
Rukhsana, you are studying, you're working, and we also know you're doing a wonderful charity projects. How does it influence the business world?
Finding time, I don't know, it just happens. I think a busy person has more time than a person who's not doing anything at all. And I just have to make sure that I make time for the things that are important in life. And one of them is to inculcate within all our employees, our work colleagues, an ethos of giving. An ethos of putting themselves after somebody else. And this is based on our Prophet Muhammad's words, peace be upon him, that life is only worth living if lived for someone else.
Rukhsana, it was indeed a great pleasure having you on the show, and I've learned so much from you. If you want to say something to the viewers, I'm sure they want to listen to what you have to say.
Well, thank you, Safa. It was indeed a pleasure for me to be talking to you today. Well, all I can say is I'm humbled to think that I am able to be a role model to a few people. I think what we need to do and to ask and question ourselves that within us there must be some voice that's questioning, is this all I am here good for? If you think not, then perhaps you need to learn about actualizing that potential that lies within. And you know something, I can be a catalyst, your husband can be a catalyst, Allah can be a catalyst, and I know that each one of us will be able to be much better than what we are. Thank you so much.
All good things must come to an end, जैसे कि हमारा शो. But this is very temporary. अगले हफ्ते हम फिर मिलेंगे. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing. Laughter is the best medicine. But if you laugh without a reason, you do need a medicine. Take care. See you next time. Ciao.